Okay, well that is the time-lapse drawing, and there's the finished drawing. I will now show you the actual finished lead complete. Okay guys, this is the completed lead. You have your two USBs for power only. So as you saw in the drawing, you cut the yellow and greens off. Sometimes when you get just a charging lead, you get just the black and red lead inside. In that case, you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is cut one end off, so you end up with the two USB plugs. Okay, these are USB type 2. Alright, and as I said, you need the USB socket like that, and the mini USB plug to go into your tablet or phone. In the case of the new USB-C type, you can use a USB-C type plug instead of one of these. So whatever. They all end up terminating inside, well, it's just a cap, and all I've done is sealed it with hot glue. So basically that is the lead. And with that, it opens up all sorts of possibilities to use on your tablet or phone, come to that, which I shall, as you saw in the drawing, that's what I made the drawing with. I was only able to make the drawing with this because I could use a mouse. So I shall show it plugged in right now. So you can now plug in whatever auxiliary you've got in the right way. Will help, won't it? You basically plug it in like that. Now if you look at the screen, you now have an active mouse. You can use it just like you would on a computer. In fact, you can use both. You can use the mouse or you can use your finger. Now the other beauty of this is, unplug this. Here I have a Seagate hard drive. This is a 2 terabyte hard drive. Now, unfortunately, most apps won't actually work using this. So, like if you've got a music player, it probably won't be able to use the music off of this. You can use what you'll need is, I'll tell you what, if I plug this in. Okay, so this is a Seagate hard drive, it's 2 terabyte hard drive. I mean, now you get solid state ones, but either way, it'll work. It's got normal USB on the end of it. Obviously, it's got its own special plug. It needs its own power supply, that's why you must have the other USB lead. And basically, as soon as you plug it in, providing you've got the right software in. Now before I show you that, there are 2 bits of software you'll need to be able to use this. And let's see if I can find them. You will need Total Commander, which you can get on the App Store, which is this one here. This allows you to be able to use Windows files on your tablet. And ideally you need, where is it? Well, it's not ideally, you've got to have it, otherwise it won't work. You want Microsoft exFAT. Yeah, to be able to use Windows files, you need this app as well. And also it will allow you to connect to your tablet. Okay, so shut that down. Now you don't need neither of these open. As soon as you connect your hard drive, it will automatically find it. So watch. There you go. Comes up on the screen, and it's asking you to mount the drive. Seagate expansion drive, Microsoft NTF type file. You mount it, open it, and now all the files from this hard drive all now shown up in here. In this case, my database. This is like a copy of my music database. Alright. I mean, you can play music directly from this, no problem. But some apps in the actual tablet won't necessarily be able to pick it up off of there. So like my DJ system won't recognise this drive, only USB drive. So open that up, and if I switch off my Bluetooth, I can then only play you a little bit. It will then ask, do I want to play music in the foreground? I say yes. And there you go. No problem. So, yeah, so as I say, you can use a hard drive off of there, transferring files across to your tablet, and vice versa. You can transfer files from your tablet to the hard drive. You can run a mouse, you can run a keyboard. I'm sure there are other things you can run that you would have to experiment with. But it opens up your tablet to all sorts of things. You can be able to, makes it so much more versatile. Most programs on tablets, like drawing programs, as you know, you have to use your finger, unless you're using an iPad or something like that, where you've got the pen. If I unplug that and plug my mouse back in again, like so, again, there you go, activate straight away. Alright, so that's this one. This was the drawing package I was going to make the drawing on, but I've only just got this package, so I wasn't really sure about doing it. So, you know, you can operate it, clear the screen. There you go. Complete control. So yeah, pretty good. The files you will need from the App Store are Total Commander, which you can download, it's totally free, and Microsoft exFAT files. You can also get that from the App Store. So anyway, I hope this video has been useful to you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos when they come up. And till next time, I'll see you around. Take care. Bye.